Previously on Philippines Next Top Model.
Modeling requires acting.
Action.
Will Jaina and Rain please step forward? Jaina, you're still in the running to become Philippines Next Top Model. Sorry.
Staying in the house can be a little bit boring sometimes. So take a few of your things. We are going for a...
Everyone was so excited. And then they said they were going to go to Subic and we have to pack something for overnight.
Tapos after noon, mga 2 a.m. na siguro, bumalik kami dito sa room. Pagtingin ni Elf dito, 3 tequila, iba-ibang sizes, oh.
Late na kami natulog. And then, nag-take lang kami ng dalawang, tequila, yung maliit lang. Then yun, natulog na kami.
When we got here in Subic, some were thinking that we're gonna go to the beach, some were thinking, we should have brought our swimwears and things like that, but no.
Good morning, girls.
Good morning!
Well, ang akala ng iba ay madali ang maging isang modelo. Pero sa trabaho natin, palagi tayong puyat at pagod. Kaya naman, ngayong umaga, kasama ko si drill instructor Papa June at si Papa Tim para sabihin sa inyo kung ano ba ang mangyayari ngayon. Papa June?
Good morning, ladies.
Good morning!
Nandito kayo ngayon sa Extreme Adventure. Marami kaming inihanda na exercise para sa inyo. Bago kayo magsimula ay kukuha kayo ng helmet.
Go, girls! Go! Bilis!
Ready na kayo? 1, 2,
Ay, sobrang saya. Kasi, nung una, kami, parang nag-stretch kami, yon.
Gawin nyo yan. Importante
Six.
yan.
1, 5, 6, 4, 3, 2,
1, 2,
3, 4.
I don't expose myself to the sun. Kaya talagang ibang experience yon for me.
And then jumping jacks. And it was funny kasi Miss Willow was so funny. She's swaying around.
Physically fit pa ako sa inyo, sir, ha? Jag, come on. Walang reklamo na reklamo. Hindi naman kagandahan. Jogging! Ano ba yan? Joy! Ano ba yan dyan? And jumping jacks. 1, 2. Woo!
obstacle course and I saw the mud. It was gross, but when you're there, hindi mo na masyadong isipin because you're already there. Pinagapang na kami sa, as in parang pang peer mayor.
Pero yung paggapang ko, hindi talagang feel na gapang. More on parang nag-iingat na rin ako na wag ako madumihan. And then, Miss Wilma saw me. So, tinulak niya ako. Sabi niya, dapa!
Gapang, Bambi!
Nag-wall climbing po kami after. So, expected na po natin na kakaahon lang namin sa mud, tapos mag-wall climbing kami. So,
yung pag-akyat ko, pag ganyan ko lang, sarap ng feeling. Talagang yung, yung lakas ko doon, talagang kahit puyat, talagang, hindi dapat ako mahulog. Ito na matagal kong gustong gawin. So, nagawa ko.
Leg up, there! And touch the pig! And there! Release! Release!
medyo nahihirapan po ako. Pero, kailangan po mag-rest lang para maka-ano ko ulit.
Tuntog yung paa, right foot, kabila. Hawak mo yung left. Yan. Yan, lipat. Naku, Jen, mga 3 days ka dyan.
Mukhang mahirap. Kahit nanginginig na ako, kailangan kong tapusin.
Push up, then reach the stone. Up, there. Up, up, Jana, up. There, go, Jana. Stop it. There, Jen. There, let's go. Hold the rope.
Sobrang challenge sa akin kasi first time ko na-experience yung ganon. It just so happened na parang mali yung pag-ano ko. Kasi all the weight were in my hands.
Open up. See? Kahit dyan, ayaw nyo mag-open up.
Parang masyado ako sigurong na-excite. Ang bilis ko mag-akyat nung una, tapos in the middle, parang napagod ako, tapos nabitiwan ko yung stone.
Push! Abot mo na yan! Let go! There!
When you hold on to the rock, to the stone, parang lahat ng energy mo doon na nakakapit. Dapat pala may strategy kapag akyat.
Maawa naman kayo kay Gemma, oh. And strike a pose, Rina. Strike a pose. There you go. Go, go, go. Up, up. Go, Grads. Ay, nako. Kasi emote ng emote, eh.
Dali, ang daming beses kong nag-try, mga twice. Pero yung twice na yun, sobrang in the middle ako, tapos stagnant na ako doon.
Nung time na ako na yung nag-wall climbing, sobrang nanginig lahat yung buong katawan ko. Na parang madulas nga, tapos parang feeling ko mahulog ako.
Rina, listen. Don't panic. Relax. Relax. Focus.
Si Rina, doon pa lang sa wall climbing, parang ang bigat ng katawan niya. Hindi niya talaga yung body niya, hindi niya ma-lift.
There. And then, yung kanila. Don't let go. Pahinga ka muna. Hindi ka makakaligtas sa akin. Dito, pahinga.
I didn't give up naman. I didn't say na ayoko na. That's the good thing.
I thought it was easy. It's not, man. It's not easy at all.
Ay, ang taray ni Joy, gumagas-gas. Akala, walang mali dyan. Tama yan. Sila naglagay niyan.
First few steps, it was already hurting kasi I don't naman talaga work out or go to the gym. It was hard, but then I was thinking if I stop and if I, for example, fell, I wouldn't be able to just, go back again. It would be harder. So I just kept on pushing until I reached for the mark.